National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for south central Montgomery County and central Maryland, Arlington County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, until 12:15 p.m. At 8:16 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms.
Safety alert! Safety alert!
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Annandale, Falls Church, Huntington, Plymouth Hills, McLean.
With God. It's now Jack Taylor.
Port, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, North Potomac, Lincolnia, Lake Barcroft, Chevy Chase. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Callers report this.
Heavy rain will continue for the next several hours with chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Southern Washington new for most of the area.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 12:45 p.m. At 8:21 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.
This program because of a local weather emergency. Important information will follow. Safety alert! Safety alert! We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington.
Congress continues.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency.
Virginia has issued a flash flood.
Mill, North Kensington, Forest Glen, Hillendale, Wheaton Glenmont, Silver Spring, Wheaton, Chilham, Calverton, Glenmont, Mount Rainier. This includes the following streams and drainages: Sligo Creek, Rock Creek, and Anacostia River. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
The 23 here at W.